Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin or manage server permission, then invite Hydra using the bot and command scopes so it can join. Once added, create a dedicated music text channel and set a role that grants connect and speak in the target voice channel. Make sure Hydra's role is above users it should control, otherwise, voice permissions fail. Do this now, because these steps let you test commands immediately and prevent permission conflicts later. Now you queue and control music. Use /play followed by a song name, URL, or video ID to add tracks. The bot shows the queue and current time. Once playing, /pause and /resume stop and continue, /skip moves to the next track, and /q shows upcoming items with positions. If you need sound shaping, apply built-in filters such as bass boost or nightcore, which affect pitch and EQ. Use /remove filter to revert. Make sure to set volume conservatively. Loud boosts distort audio. Finish by organizing playback. Build playlists with /save, then load them for repeatable sessions. Use the DJ role setting to restrict who can skip or clear the queue. Once done, configure autoplay or repeat modes for continuous play during streams. If the bot won't play, verify voice region and codec compatibility, confirm Hydra's role is above channel permissions, and watch for rate limit or API error messages. If issues persist, restart the bot connection and re-invite with correct scopes. This resolves most permission or token problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.